Welcome to Next Gen Finance, your trusted place for clear, simple, and accurate updates on every major financial change happening across the UK. Today's video is extremely important because the UK is heading toward a major financial shift, and new rules are being prepared that could affect millions of people, from workers and homeowners to pensioners, businesses, and anyone trying to stay financially stable. If you want to stay ahead and understand exactly what's coming, how it may impact your money, and what you need to prepare for, make sure you watch this video till the very end. People across the UK are already dealing with rising living costs, high rents, unstable interest rates, stubborn inflation, and increasing pressure on daily expenses. But what many don't know is that new financial rules are now being drafted behind the scenes, and some of these changes could take effect sooner than most people expect. That's why this video matters, because understanding what's coming gives you time to adjust, plan, and protect your finances before the changes hit.
The truth is simple. The UK is facing a crucial moment. The economy is trying to stabilize, but global pressures, slowing growth, high government debt, and ongoing cost challenges are pushing policymakers to introduce new measures. These new rules could change the way people borrow, spend, save, and receive government support. And while some changes may offer relief, others could tighten financial pressure on households that are already struggling.
That's why staying informed is not optional, it's essential. Many experts are warning that the UK is entering a period where adjustments in financial policy are unavoidable. That includes changes to tax thresholds, benefit eligibility rules, interest rate guidelines, and even stricter regulations on lending. If you're someone who relies on benefits, works full-time, runs a small business, pays a mortgage, or simply tries to manage your monthly bills, these new rules could show up directly in your financial life. And the earlier you understand them, the better prepared you'll be. One key concern behind these upcoming changes is the gap between wages and costs. Even though inflation has slowed down, the prices of groceries, transport, fuel, and utilities remain significantly higher than they were just a couple of years ago. Households haven't felt the relief they were promised. And the new rules may be designed to tackle this in a stricter, more controlled way, possibly changing the criteria for financial support, tightening public spending, and adjusting tax structures so that the government can manage its debt while also trying to control inflation. This is where the shock comes in, because some of these adjustments could surprise people who aren't paying attention. Another major area that could see new rules is the housing and mortgage sector. Many homeowners are still struggling with high interest rates, and renters are facing record-breaking increases. The government is under tremendous pressure to stabilize the housing market. That could mean new rules for landlords, changes in mortgage lending requirements, and even new limits on rent increases in some areas. Whether you rent or own a home, these changes could show up in your monthly budget very soon. Businesses are also bracing for new regulations. Small businesses in particular are dealing with high energy bills, increased operating costs, and slowing customer spending. New rules could include changes in tax treatment, new reporting requirements, or adjustments that affect how businesses hire, spend, and expand. And since business health affects employment, wages, and economic growth, these changes will eventually flow back to households. There is also strong talk about changes in government support. Over the last few years, the UK has seen record levels of financial assistance, cost of living payments, energy support, benefit uplifts, rental assistance, and more. But as the government tries to manage debt and future budgets, new rules may either change eligibility or reduce certain types of support. This part is critical because millions of people depend on schemes like universal credit, PIP, pension benefits, child support, disability assistance, and housing payments. Any adjustments could affect the timing, amount, or accessibility of the help people rely on every month. One of the biggest questions people have right now is whether these upcoming rules will make life harder or easier. And the truth is, it depends.
Some changes may bring stability and long-term financial improvement, while others may tighten short-term budgets. And because these rules are interconnected, a change in one area can create a ripple effect across multiple parts of the economy. That's why this moment is being described as a financial shock, because the adjustments may come fast, and people who aren't prepared could feel the impact suddenly. But here's the important part. Knowledge gives you power. Knowing what's coming allows you to prepare. It helps you plan your spending, adjust your savings, manage your debt, and protect yourself from unexpected financial stress. That's why staying updated is not just helpful, it's a smart financial strategy that millions of people ignore. And that's exactly why NextGen Finance exists, to make sure you stay ahead, not behind. If these new rules affect your income, your rent, your bills, your benefits, or your savings, you should be ready to adjust your financial habits. Things like budget planning, reducing unnecessary expenses, staying aware of payment dates, and being cautious with borrowing are going to be more important than ever. And the earlier you begin preparing, the safer you'll be when these rules come into effect. As we move into the coming weeks, more announcements will be made, and updates will start rolling out. Some will be positive, some may be challenging. But every update will be important. And if you keep watching the latest information, you'll be among the first to understand how these changes affect you and your family. Before we wrap up, remember this. Big financial changes don't happen often, but when they do, the people who stay informed are the ones who stay secure. The UK is entering a turning point, and the new rules coming soon could shape everything from your monthly expenses to your long-term financial stability. And that's why this channel is here, to give you the clearest, simplest breakdowns so you know exactly what steps to take. Thank you for watching NextGen Finance. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others so more people can stay informed about these important changes. Your support helps the channel reach more people who need accurate and timely financial updates. Stay prepared, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video with more crucial UK financial news.